Samsung fans, get ready, because the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just shake things up in the camera department. After years of incremental updates, it looks like we're finally in for something big. And by big, I mean major sensor upgrades, new zoom capabilities, and the possible return of a long-lost feature. Remember when Samsung first introduced variable aperture with the Galaxy S9 and then quietly ditched it? Well, rumors are swirling that it's making a comeback. The latest leak suggests that the S26 Ultra's main sensor will pack an f/1.4 to 4.0 variable aperture, allowing for better low-light shots and improved depth of field control. If true, this could be a game-changer for mobile photography. According to tipster Sit Geek, Samsung isn't ditching the dual telephoto setup, but it is tweaking the focal lengths. Instead of a 3x zoom, we might get a 3.5x telephoto with a larger 50-megapixel sensor compared to the current 10-megapixel one. Yes, the pixel size is smaller, but with 4:1 pixel binning, expect sharper images and improved performance. But here's where it gets really interesting. This new sensor could allow 8K video recording from the telephoto lens. Of course, that depends on whether Samsung enables it, but the possibility alone is pretty exciting. The periscope zoom is also getting an upgrade from 5x to 8x magnification. While the sensor is still 50 megapixel, it's slightly smaller than the one in the S25 Ultra. Why? Likely to prevent the camera module from sticking out too much. If you've ever seen a phone with extreme zoom, you know that the protrusion can get, well, a little ridiculous. If you were hoping for a massive ultrawide upgrade, don't hold your breath. It looks like the ultrawide sensor will remain unchanged from the S25 Ultra. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but considering Samsung's recent conservative approach to updates, it does leave some room for doubt about the other rumored improvements. Of course, the S26 Ultra is still a year away, and things could change before the final release. Some rumors even suggest Samsung might remove one of the zoom sensors altogether. Either way, it's clear that Samsung is experimenting, and we might finally see a leap in camera tech rather than just another small step. So, what do you think of these rumored changes? Excited for the S26 Ultra, or do you think Samsung should go even further? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome.